Hey everyone, welcome to Java Python Interview Hub, the place to crack coding interviews with confidence. So let's talk about one of the most misunderstood part of Java. What is a constructor in Java? Right? So constructor is a special method used to initialize objects. It has the same name as the class name and no return type. So example, here student is a class. So you can say that student with a blank parameter, you can name it as a default constructor because it has the same name as the class name. Right? So you can also have parameterized constructor as well as copy constructor. So the speciality of constructor is what? So there is no return type. It is mainly used for initialize the objects and can be overloaded, right? So show the difference between constructor and method. That will give your answer a very clear specification. So subscribe now for more real world Java insights on Java Python Interview Hub. Thank you very much, guys.